Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make banana bread. If you have ripe bananas, don't throw them away. Use it for this amazing bread and you will love it, trust me. Let's get started. So this is the ripe banana that I'm using. I'm using only one ripe banana. So if you want it in a large quantity or in a huge quantity, you can use 2 or 3. I'm using medium size banana. I'll then mash it with a fork until it's smooth, just like so. Once it's smooth, I'll go ahead and add in a tablespoon of sugar. The sugar, you can adjust the sugar by yourself. If you want, don't add in sugar and use only the banana. I then added in dry active yeast and milk. I stirred that together till well combined and then added in flour, grated nutmeg, and cinnamon powder. So the grated nutmeg and the cinnamon powder that I'm using here, or that I used, is totally optional. You can even add in banana flavor instead. I then added in salt and melted butter. So I'll mix this together till well combined until it forms a dough. Once it's formed a dough, I'll knead it for about 5 minutes and then I'll set it aside for it to double in size. So as you can tell from the video, I left small of the flour and then I added it to it whilst I was done mixing, almost done mixing. So I mixed this together and then knead it for about 5 minutes. I'll then place it back in a bowl, cover it with a cling film and set it aside to double in size. So make sure you keep it in a warm place for at least 1 hour or till doubled in size. Once it's doubled in size, I'll deflate the dough and then transfer it on my working surface. I'll then roll it long like a sausage shape and then divide it into 9 equal parts. So mine was around 50 to 60 grams each. Once you're done dividing, bring one of the dough and roll it in a ball shape on your palm. You can even roll it on your work surface. Just sprinkle a little bit of flour and then roll it on your work surface in a ball shape. So that's what you're looking for, just like so. I'll then cover it again and let it double in size before baking it. Once it's doubled in size, I'll go ahead and brush on top with milk. You can use egg wash instead of the milk, but I'm going in for milk. After, I'll bake this at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, or from 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the size of your dough. So guys, this is it. It's very simple, easy. It turned out so delicious. Once it's done baking, I'll go ahead and brush on top with a little bit of butter and you are good to go. Just look at it. Isn't it amazing, guys? The cinnamon powder and the nutmeg that I added to it took it to the next level. So try this recipe and trust me, you're going to love it. Just look at how it bounced back. This is beautiful. Just look at it, guys. It's light, it's not heavy at all, and it turned out so delicious, guys. Just look at it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. Till then, bye.